I find that the applicant, Kiza, Aaron, qualifies for admission to pay your pennies.
Yes, I need to tell you that the war alarms have been switched on by Museveni. This war is a legal war. Now, how did he switch it on? By paying the 100 million to MPs. This is something they asked for. Actually, they wanted 200 million to pass the unconstitutional PDF Act. Now, the man said, I'm going to give you part, you do the work. After you have done the work, I'll pay you the balance. So he paid the 100. Now, to us, the people of rule of law, that is an on switch. That's switching on the alarms of war, because what is going to be next is litigation to ensure that that thing is annulled, because it's unconstitutional. It will be in contempt of court. But now, just draw the picture, the way I'm painting it, that this man has spent 60 billion initially. He will pay another 60 billion to ensure that these guys pass the law. But we who you send on front line, whom you sent on Tumbale, whom you sent to East Africa and wherever to fight this, even when we say fundraising, we don't fundraise. Even when we say what, you don't. And you can see how we are. Last time, Aaron Kiza almost failed to get out of prison because of 20 million shillings. But we are fighting people who have paid 60 million, who have hired lawyers working for government. They pay them handsome money. Some of them are even tax exempted. So you can see. So my call to you is to understand that the law alarms are on, the warnings are on, and you must know that if you expect us to fight, you must ensure that you change your systems, you start fundraising to our causes, you start understanding that actually these are serious matters, you start prioritizing noise making, clapping over substance. That's the problem we have. I normally even told us why people, they believe in clapping without any substance. When we talk about real constitutional litigation, they don't come. When we talk about fundraising, they don't come. So it's up to you. Understand that the alarms are on. We must fight the war, but you must ensure that we fund us. If you don't, we shall rest and do our personal things. Don't forget, the fundraising is via 0701 88 1231 and 787 6308.